guys, we're back. In today's video is a little different. We are doing a get ready with me trying new Dollar Tree makeup products. So, first off, I have my little bracelet here, not Dollar Tree. My adrenal insufficiency. If you guys have that, please let me know. Comment down below. I have to wear this every day. But anyway, so I showered, straightened my hair with the Conair straightener from Dollar Tree, putting my hair up with a Dollar Tree hair tie. See how long that lasts, and then our Dollar Tree little headband. So, there we go. Oh, I look horrid. But we're first going to start off with the Spa Ash Yuzu and Vitamin C Powerhouse Serum. So we're going to put some serum on. I was going to paint my nails, but I just don't have the time. My laptop's at 10%. I'm going out for the day. So I'm like, I don't have time to paint my nails. But we do have time to do our makeup. And I'm going to film it and try new stuff. So, okay, first off, this smells really good, actually. It's very hydrating. Like, I can already tell. It's definitely hydrating my skin. So, I guess when we take all this off tonight, I can do, like, an unget ready with me, too. And we'll see if I broke out or anything. But, this definitely smells very good and soothing on the skin. So far, I do like this. So, we're just going to use both hands. And yeah, so that's all on, so check. Then we're going to go in with our Gel Grip Face Primer with an hyaluronic acid primer. So I unboxed some of this stuff already, so go faster, but some of it's not unboxed. So we're just going to go in with a little bit of this. I know, I use my fingers a lot in my makeup routine. Comment down below if you guys use your fingers for like primers and stuff. I just feel like it's easier to use it on my fingers as with the primer. But yeah, we're going shopping today, so hopefully I find some goodies. We're going to locations that we haven't been shopping to in a while, so hopefully the Dollar Trees treat me good. You guys will find out in the haul. So that's a good thing. But yeah, so this is like a very talkative get ready with me, and obviously I don't get dressed with what I'm wearing until after I do my makeup, because I did that before and I got foundation all over my sweater. So we are primed. Now we are gonna go in with our Prolux matte foundation in Fair. I don't know why it looks like that, but yeah, this is like new and old to the Dollar Tree. I guess they reformulated. Sorry, I'm gonna put my hair back up. They reformulated or whatever. So we have this, and we're gonna go in with our little brush. This is from Dollar Tree forever ago, but we're just gonna put this on our face in hopes that it's not too light. So we shall see. We're gonna blend this and I'll get back to you. Okay, we're blinded. With this lighting, I look like a ghost, but I swear it's not that light. I don't know why. On camera it looks horrible, but anyway. Then we're gonna go in with our Camouflage Liquid Concealer in Cool Light. Yeah, this lighting is horrid, but don't worry, I'll show you guys. I'll take pictures and put them in. But this is our concealer. Hopefully, this I think is definitely my color. But I always do concealer up here too. I don't know why. But this is fast, so we're just gonna blend this out. I'm using you guys as my camera, so that's why I'm staring like directly at it. Okay, so there's that. That was the Camouflage and Cool Light. Now we have our contour. So we have the Marie Claire Contour Stick in Warm Brown. So I do contour and bronzer. I don't know if you're supposed to do it that way, but that's just how I do it. So yeah, I do both. I do contour and bronzer because it's fun. That's for the video, doing fun, right? So we're gonna go with this. Now, I don't do a lot because I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't like to do a lot. But, so now, I'm gonna go in and blend this. Okay, there we go, actually. Okay, this actually kind of looks good. Okay, you can definitely tell I contoured. So, there's the contour. I don't know how people contour down here. I'll try it. There we go. So that's our contour. Then I have bronzer somewhere. Here it is. The liquid bronzer in Bronze Kiss by Be Pure. So we're gonna put some of this on to kind of give us some color. We're just gonna do 2 little dots because, I'm not a pro and I don't want to look like a horrid unblended mess. So, okay, there we go. Definitely added some color. You guys see it, hopefully. Now we're gonna go in with blush. So we have 2 blushes. We have the Ioni Blush Stick, this, and then we have the LA Colors Liquid Blush in Grazy. So I think we're gonna do one side this and the other side. Like we're gonna do 1 and 1. So we're gonna do this one first. This is Ioni. I don't know the name of this one. Oh, Swipe and Go Raspberry. So we're gonna do this side, this one, and then this side we're gonna do this. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not a makeup pro. I really don't know what I'm doing. So forgive me, because, this isn't crazy. Oh, okay, and then we're just gonna, oh dear. Okay, so we have 2 different blushes, and hopefully, yeah, they're definitely different colors, so hopefully this doesn't turn out to be a horrid mess. But we're just gonna blend that. And, oh, I like this side. I definitely like this liquid blush. I feel like you can see it better than over here. That's just I definitely like this side of my face. Oh, sorry, I'm not giving you the middle part. I definitely like this side of my face better than this side. But, so that is that. Then, we do have a LA Colors highlighter. This is new. I still have to haul all this collection. This is in Yearning. So we are gonna put that on. Did I bring a highlighter brush? Of course not. So we are actually just gonna use a eyeshadow brush because I'm not doing a lot anyway. Oh, can you guys see that? Look at that. So it's definitely glowy, like very glowy. I feel like you can see it on my nose. So here's our highlight. Then we have our Marie Claire setting powder and flawless finish. See what I mean? Some of this stuff I did not open and some of it I did. I'm definitely going to take pictures and put them in this video because I feel like you guys can't really see the makeup look because this lighting is horrible. And I just cut my finger opening this stupid packaging. But I did realize that you do the powder last because you guys told me. So, damn, I really did cut my finger. So now we're going to put this on. So we're going to take this big powder brush from Dollar Tree. We're going to do that, get it everywhere. This smells like straight baby powder. Definitely smells like baby powder, but I definitely like how it goes on. So, definitely like that. Now, for the video, we are going to do some eyeshadow, but we're just going to do some matte. We're going to do this one right here. So, just for the video. I know. So we're gonna take this Dollar Tree one, and we're just gonna, yeah, these are mattes. So we're just gonna go with a little pink and a little brown and a little, we're just gonna mix all the colors, honestly. And we're just gonna put it on the lid. And this should not irritate my eyes, only because they're all mattes. So I won't be doing mascara, obviously, but I definitely like this formula of this eyeshadow palette. It's definitely smooth. So there's that. And then, you know, since this is blush and a highlighter palette too, I'm gonna just mix a little bit of this and put it on our face just for fun. So that's that. Then we do have our Ultra Hold Brow Gel from the Cherry Collection that we're going to use. Let's open this bad boy. Brow pot, like, when I realized that this stuff does not mess around and my eyebrows will be like this probably for a couple days, like in the hold. So we're just gonna, this is drier than ever. It's just like nothing is in here. I'm not even kidding, nothing is in this. Like nothing is coming out. You guys, okay, well there's that. Then we have our mattifying setting mist in green grape. So I always shake mine. I don't know if you're supposed to. I always shake mine. Now we're gonna spray this. I like this actually. And then we have our lip, which is Lip Shine Gloss in Dakota Pink, which I will be hauling this collection, don't worry. So stay tuned for that. I have so many hauls to film, literally all my bags over there. So stay tuned. I know this is going to come out first, but don't worry. Most of the stuff will be in the haul. So, things falling. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Well, I like this. Kind of just like raspberries, but yeah, my finger is bleeding, so don't mind that. But this is, I guess, I'll take off my hair so you guys can. This is our makeup look. I know this lighting is horrid, but I will take pictures today in the good light outside, and I'll insert pictures in the end. But I think my makeup turned out good. Would you know this is all from Dollar Tree? Probably not. But I like it. I'm definitely going to post pictures in better lighting at the end so you guys can really see the makeup look. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm not an expert, so don't judge. But definitely don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss my hauls and videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.